Let's play the zigzag dashboard. Click mining. Click farm. Then need to unlock this for 10 million coins. First, Aurora Farm, Exonix, and Electrics. This one, Aurora Farm, rent. The farm use rented is a secret combination. Don't stop and get a price. Okay, Exonic and Electrics. Two more. Exonic and Electric. Exonix, this one, rent. Okay, then Electric, this is the last one, rent. Okay, we got it, we got it, baby.